morning. Is it? It's still morning. Yeah, it's morning. All right. As you can see, I'm dressed for the gym because I am going to the gym. We're going to try this again. So, picking up from last time when I went, it wasn't that great. Threw up at the gym. Couldn't really work out. So, today's Saturday. We're going back. Hailey's coming along. She's eating a little something before we head out. I'm waiting on my Uber. It should have been here minutes ago. It's like the longest 5 minutes ever. What time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
Good morning,
which reminds me, I need to go grab my watch. 9:45? Damn, I wanted to get there on time today.
Yeah.
Shit. And it looks like there's traffic, but whatever. We shall see. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. So I'll catch back up with you guys at the gym. Bye. Hey guys, so we stopped off for lunch at Sweet Chicks on Flatbush. It's a boozy lemonade. It's not my favorite, but whatever. Oh, nice now. So about to leave my purse over here and someone just walked by, snatch it off the table and run off. And you didn't have the
gloves. I haven't been wearing it because of my tattoo.
Would it rub on it?
Yeah. It covers my wrist and then I have to wrap it around with that.
But it's a little dry.
This is what?
Fries are fire. And salad's not bad.
But this salad with the Chick-fil-A avocado one. It's us eating right next to each other.
That's awesome.
I'm stuffing my face with a loaded fries while I'm looking at French fitness. While you're having the salad. And we're going to Costco, so that's funny.
You got
Good job. I'm like this trick. Whatever food you see on my mouth is evidence of how busted it is. The whole face when they get a bite is bust. Now y'all look at a bee. Now she's getting attacked by a bee. Oh, stop! Where is it? Where is it? No, stop! 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 It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
It's not even funny. How dare that be?
Yeah. What's in the fridge?
What?
Now you're fine.
I like the
Put a ranch sauce on
onion sauce. It's a little spicy and there's like a little kick to it. Not a big kick, but a little something. It's good. Well, the battery's dying. So we're going to end this here. And I'll catch you all. Good morning. Quick update on our way to the gym. Running late again, but at least we're going. Yeah, we're almost there. Huh? Something happened? Oh my goodness. Yeah, wow. There's some crazy people on the street. Oh, yeah, it looks like something did happen over here. I hope no one's hurt or anything. So many ambulances. See you guys there.
Special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want.
I don't know what's going on with this wig, but something's going on with it. Anyways, we're at Shake Shack, grabbing some takeout to head home. Had a good workout. It didn't feel like death after. For a change. But yeah, it was good. I'm not gonna go tomorrow because I'm gonna go to the zoo, Central Park Zoo. But Thursday, oh Hailey, Thursday at 8 a.m.
What?
Gym.
Oh, I'm not coming.
That's too early? Okay.
That's too early for me.
Well, I guess I'm flying solo on Thursday, 8 a.m.
It's too early for me. What is today?
Tuesday.
Guys, look at my phone. Look at what happened to my phone.
Here, Hailey wants to show you her phone.
Guys, I don't know how this happened. I woke up and my phone
It's
is
just
literally like
blank. It's not, you're not showing anything.
I don't know what happened, but my phone is literally like green. Like, and then if I try to turn the brightness up, like, oh, I want to see better, it gets worse.
It's not picking up on camera. It's
It
just white.
You see, but that's how hard it is to see. Like, it's hard. Like, my phone is not, you can't really see anything on it. And it's just the screen. It's not even the phone. Like, nothing happened. I didn't drop it in water. I didn't toss it. I didn't eat it. I didn't put it in rice. Nothing happened to it. You know, it was perfectly fine. All I did, because it's lunchtime, y'all. It's almost 12 o'clock. It's 11:43. All I did.
You know that feeling like when you go to the store and it's like empty, or you get on the line and then all of a sudden
It just mad packed.
gets crowded. Yeah. That's what's happening. I don't know. I gotta figure out what happened to my
Your mother, because she's currently going through it right
I will knock you out.
Why?
I
It was
said
perfect.
stop saying that to me.
I'm trying to figure out what's going on with your mother, because she's going through it right now.
Right.
Y'all, let me know down in the comment section below if y'all be saying your mother, because I know everybody says it. Even my grandma says it, and my mom she be taking it mad personal. But let me know in the comment section down below. Sometimes you just gotta be like your mother, like your mother, like my mother. You know what I mean? Literally, like your mother.
You heard me right.
Guys, I'm so hungry.